from your PMA Governor for Quezon City Region. Warmest greetings of peace and solidarity. As we come together for the 35th QCMS Annual Convention with a very appropriate theme, Holistic Approach to Health, I am sure this will empower our participants with the best practices and innovations in the medical field. I would like to congratulate the whole Executive Board headed by Dr. Mercedes Agustin, with the Organizing Committee Head, Dr. Lilibet Nagit, for the efforts in making this a success. Good luck and God bless the QCMS. Mabuhay!